if you say P, I can't stick with one move. That was nice, Mariana. Add whatever moves you want. Yes, this is called Taksim, solo, melodic. You can dance inside, looking inward, taking moves that come into the midline, looking down at your hips, or you can open up and share the movement with the audience by looking and pressing outward. So there's two different ways you can do this. Moves don't matter. You decide, am I internal, introvert, or am I extrovert? Okay, where you're sharing the energy with the audience. Okay? Best way to do this at home alone in your room with nobody watching, because you'll be amazing, trust me. We're super amazing when we're by ourselves. Like, I'm like, damn, I'm good. And then I get on stage, I'm like, what happened? Shake it out. All right. What happened? I swear I was good at home.